Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this beautiful 2004 Ducati ST3. This is Ducati's full-size sport touring motorcycle. It has the 992cc fuel-injected V-twin engine, 6-speed transmission. This is a clean title, California bike. The odometer, speedometer has been replaced, so the exact mileage is unknown. The owner says there's about 16 to 17,000 miles, original miles, but unknown mileage due to the fact that we don't know exactly what is not the original odometer. This bike runs beautifully. Upgraded Ohlins suspension, has the Wilber shock, new Pirelli Angel GT tires, carbon seat, aftermarket windshield and tire bars. Price right only $39.95 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. Use that 408-730-0600.